Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd fa'audhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Allahumma inna nas'aluka ilman nafi'a wa 'amalan mutaqabbala wa rizqan tayyiba. آمين ثم آمين ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين يا رحمن يا رحيم يا الله. Inshallah ta'ala, we will today we will learn like there is alif. I will write down alif. Yeah, alif. Oh, a black ink. I need black ink, not this ink. Writing text. Where is my ink going to? There. Line. Ink color. Because the black color is easy to see. ब्लैक के लिए वो ग्रे दे रहा है ना, कमिंग ग्रे. Inshallah, here is alif. Oh, no, it's not right. This is not clear. It should be drawing. Pencil, pen, alif and ba. Now this is my alif. If I want to move alif, now I can't move this one. Yeah, alif is alif. If I want to move this alif, I want to like somebody sitting and I say move it, and then I will put Fathah on this line. Okay, so I will say if alif receive this Fathah, is no alif anymore. Okay, alif become Hamza. Okay, so this is alif. Do you understand, sisters? Yeah.
Yes, I understand. Yeah.
Yeah. So if I want only alif, if I want only alif, let me
Yeah.
move this one. I don't want to bar. Maybe I want alif. I will just keep alif only, like this only. Yeah. But if I
But
want
I can't see any writing.
no,
No.
oh,
Let me
I
try.
think it's just making lines as well without me doing anything. It's just making lines as well. I didn't make any line. What is making by
Oh
itself?
yeah. You make 3 lines.
Yeah, I didn't
I'm
make.
sorry.
It's just a computer making lines.
Okay, yeah, 3 lines. I can see that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm trying in. What is this? Rubber. Yeah, I'll rub all of it and keep it clear. So now I will write down pen. So this is my alif. Okay. When alif is empty, it is alif. The name of alif is empty. But if I put any harka on alif, like this is my alif, and I want to use alif I want alif to move. This alif is just sitting or standing. Okay. Can only have name. I'll say alif, alif, but I can't do anything. I can't say a, e, u. So I need to move it. I put alif, this called Fathah.
Fathah, yeah.
Fathah. Have you heard Fathah?
Fathah.
Yeah?
Yes, Fathah.
Fathah. Fathah.
Fathah. Yeah.
Yeah. Fathah. It's called Fathah. Yeah. So if I put Fathah on, and my alif will give me the sound of a, alif Fathah a. Can you say?
Yeah, alif Fathah a.
Alif Fathah A. So this is my
Alif
alif
Fathah
giving me a sound of A. This is phonic sound we started now. Phonic sound A.
Yeah.
Alif Fathah A.
Alif Fathah
What is this? Cupboard. Okay. Alif Fathah A. And the sound I need to catch is A. My alif moved to Hamza to bring the sound because only Hamza have sound.
Yeah.
Hamza have sound, and this Hamza the sound is A. That means alif is standing. Yeah. And now I want alif to have Kasrah. And this is also a Hamza. Became Hamza. Alif became Hamza. Not alif anymore. No alif anymore. This is also that sometimes I try to draw and it goes wrong way. So this is alif to Hamza, and this is I say alif Fathah A. No, I will not say alif Fathah A anymore. I will say Hamza Fathah A. Hamza Fathah A, because my alif turned into Hamza. Changed the shape. And also because it is sound bringing the sound, alif can't bring sound, only Hamza can bring sound because they both are same. They merge, alif merge into Hamza. So now left Hamza. So inshallah we will start with Hamza. Okay. So now is our Hamza Kasrah E. Hamza Fathah A. Hamza Kasrah E. Hamza Fathah A. Hamza Kasrah E. Rafia, you say as well. And Hamza Dhammah. Now I want like first I have A sound, then I had E sound. Now I want U sound. U. So I will put Dhammah on a Hamza, and it will become Hamza Dhammah U. The sound will stay like this. Sorry, shape will stay like this, but it will give me the sound of A, E, U, A, E, U. Like the sound will be A, and this will be E, and this will be U. Yeah. A, E, U. Yeah. I am teaching the shortcut way, so you don't have to go further and find the long pages, and then you understand, because you are adult, you are not children. Yeah. So grown up. So that's why I just want to give you this way. So A, E, U. Now this is one harka. How many count? One count. How many count I need to stretch? One count only.
One count.
Okay. U N T count. One count only. Stretching, one count. Okay. Stretching, how many count?
One count.
It will take long to write down stretching as well.
Yeah.
So stretch, one count.
It's one count, yeah.
Fathah Kasrah Dhammah. Kasrah, I will write down Kasrah here as well, so you understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
Yes, I do.
So this is Kasrah, and Kasrah, and this the last one is Dhammah.
Yeah.
Dhammah. Okay.
Mhm.
So when you do now Fathah Kasrah Dhammah, Fathah comes on top of the letter. This line
Okay.
comes on top of the letter called Fathah in English, in Arabic.
Fathah.
Fathah
Yeah.
in Arabic.
Fathah. Oh, Fathah.
Fathah, yeah.
Fathah.
And Fathah, we see Fathah. So, and this line underneath, instead of on
Mhm.
top, underline,
Mhm.
underline called Kasrah,
Kasrah.
Kasrah, Kasrah. Yeah,
Kasrah.
Kasrah.
Mhm.
This is ha in the end, H sound. And the sound make this sound we want to make, okay? What are the
Okay.
sound? A, I, U,
U.
A, I, U, A, I,
A,
U,
E, U. A,
A,
E,
I,
U.
U.
A,
Rafia, you say
E,
as
U.
well?
A, E, U.
U,
A,
A,
I,
E,
U.
U.
U,
If everybody says, that will be great, because more you will say, more you will learn. If
Yeah.
you don't
A,
speak,
E,
you will
U.
not
U,
learn. Yeah.
A,
So
E, U.
U,
how many count longer we need to do these harkas?
One count.
One count only.
Count.
One finger. Open your one finger. A,
A,
A.
A,
Open your one
A,
finger. E,
A,
E.
E,
And open one finger. U,
U,
U.
U,
This is their original sound. This is
yeah.
their original stretching. How much stretch you need to do? Just one count.
Yeah.
Okay. One
A,
harka,
Mhm.
one count. One harka,
Mhm.
one count.
One
So
count.
they called, when they any of these called, like Fathah called harkat, and
Harkaat.
harkat,
Mhm.
Arabic word harkat mean to move.
Move. Okay.
What is to mean? Harkat mean to move.
To move.
To move. This is
Yeah.
Fathah is harkat. Yeah,
Mhm.
this is
Mm,
Fathah,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
this is Kasrah,
Kasrah.
and this is Dhammah.
Dhammah.
Dhamma.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Fathah is one
Kas-
harkat. Yeah. This
Mhm.
called harkat, and I will
Harkaat.
write it down in Arabic. Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Mhm.
am going to write down in Arabic, because you need to get
Harkaat mean while.
harkat mean to move.
Okay. To move. Okay.
Like I say move, step
Mm.
forward. I say one step forward.
Okay.
Yeah, I want a child to move. I say one
Okay.
step forward.
Okay. I
So that
understand.
is one step forward move.
Move.
Mhm.
Harkat. Yeah, if now one single is single called harkat. This is single.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
single
Single
called
count.
harkat. And if I say all of them, and they are plural, they are plural
Mhm.
here.
Well, yeah.
All these called harkat plural.
Harkaat.
Yeah,
Balura.
they are
Harkaat. Balura.
plural. How to write a plural? No,
Balura.
plural. Yeah. Okay,
Balura.
these are plural.
Harkaat.
These called
Balura.
harkat.
Mhm.
Harkat. I think it will be better if you start making notes. When you listen again, make your
Mhm.
own notes. Okay, nice
Yes.
and
I
neat,
will.
so you understand, highlight them,
Mhm.
like the special title give. Now you can give a harkat. Okay.
Mhm.
We gi-
Inshallah.
the big title is this harkat. Okay.
Mhm.
The title on the top, this goes. Okay. And in
Yeah.
the box you can write down move, to move. What
Mhm.
is to move? To move letter. Latter were
Mhm.
standing or sitting in their own places. We said move.
Yeah.
To move them, we put fatah on. And
Fatha or
we
Dhamma or
made a
Kasra.
sound of a. When we say
Mhm.
a, each letter a, ba, ta,
Mhm.
sa, all of them we open our mouth
Mhm.
full to
Yeah.
say them. Okay. When we
Mhm.
say
Yeah.
fatah, hamza fatah a, Ba,
Mhm.
Fathah, Ba. Every
Mhm.
time your mouth opens,
Open. Okay.
full mouth opens. Ta, Fathah,
Mhm.
Ta. Fa, Fathah, Tha. You all say as well with me. Al,
Yeah.
Hamza,
Yeah.
Fathah, A.
Mhm.
Ba, Fathah, Ba. Ta, Fathah, Ta. Ta, Fathah, Ta.
Mhm.
Tha, Fathah, Tha. Jim, Fathah,
Yeah.
Ja. Ha, Fathah, Ha. Kha, Fathah, Kha. Dal, Fathah, Da. Zal, Fathah, Za. Ra, Fathah, Ra.
Ra.
Za, Fathah, Za.
Ra.
Sin, Fathah.
Mhm.
No, Sa. Sa. Sa.
Sa.
The sin is whistling sound. No heavy
Yes.
sound. Okay.
Mhm.
Sin. Sin,
Sin.
Fathah, Sa.
Mhm.
And Sod,
Sin. Fatha.
Sheen,
Okay.
Fathah, Sha.
Mhm.
This sound.
Sha.
Sod, Fathah, Sa. Dod,
Mhm.
Fathah, Da. Ta, Fathah, Ta. Za, Fathah, Za.
Mhm.
Ain, Fathah, A.
Ra.
Ghain, Fathah, Gha.
Ra.
Dal, Fathah, Da.
Da.
Sorry, Ghain, Fathah, Gha. And Fa, Fathah, Fa.
Ra.
Qaf, Fathah, Qa.
Ra.
Kaf, Fathah, Ka. Lam, Fathah, La.
La.
Mim, Fathah, Ma.
La.
Noon, Fathah, Na.
La.
Waw, Fathah, Wa.
La.
Hamza, Fathah, A.
Ha.
Oh, Ha, Fathah, Ha. Waw,
Ha.
Fathah, Wa. Hamza, Fathah, A. Ya, Fathah, Ya. So they all
Mhm.
are Fathah letters. Okay.
Yeah.
What are they? Fathah letters. So
Mhm.
all
Fatha.
the
Yeah.
letters will
Fatha.
receive Fathah.
Mhm.
And then I will send even the picture of the Qaida.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the Qaida picture you will receive even from the last time as well.
Mhm. From the last lesson.
Last time as well. Yeah.
Mhm.
I am trying to find out that maybe last time I sent the Qaida
Okay.
or not. So what we do, we put Fathah on. Yeah.
Yeah. Fatha.
We put Fathah on, and what we do,
Mhm.
we move them saying Alif Fathah A. Ba Fathah
Yeah.
Ba.
Yeah.
No Alif,
Ba.
sorry. What
Hamza.
we call Hamza Fathah A.
Hamza
We
Fatha.
change it to Hamza. Now
Mhm.
all
Mhm.
of them are Hamza Fathah A, Ba Fathah
Mhm.
Ba. So we need to,
Mhm.
my picture is,
Mhm.
I'm sending you a picture as well, but my picture is not very clear.
It's not coming. Mhm.
Yeah, I'm going to send.
Yeah. It's all
Just
right.
sent. So now this is, they all called Harkaat,
Mhm.
Harkaat, Harkat,
Harkat.
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 Fatah is Harkat. Here,
Mhm.
Fatah is Harkat, Kasrah is Harkat, Dhammah is Harkat. And when we say all of them, we say Harkaat.
Oh,
Yeah,
Harkat. Yeah.
Harkaat.
Yeah.
And
Clear.
the title will be Harkaat. Okay.
Harkat. Yeah.
Harkat on the top,
Mm.
Harkat. And what are they
Yeah.
Harkat? They are single Harkat. Okay,
Yeah. Single Harkat. Yeah.
single Harkat. And they are
Yeah.
one count. Okay,
Mhm. Yeah.
one
One
count to
count.
stretch, no more than
Mhm.
one count. It will be
Mhm.
haram to stretch them.
Okay.
It's a
Mm.
serious matter. If
Yeah. That's
somebody
good.
is stretching Hamza Fatah Ah,
It's
is
not
that
good.
right?
No.
No. Hamza Fatah
Mm.
A, one finger,
Mhm.
one finger. Hamza Fatah
Mhm.
A, Ba Fatah Ba. Now I
Ba.
want to move into Kasrah. Okay.
Mhm.
And Kasrah is now, because I want to just put like if I move, you know, uh, let me share. Where to share? I can. Okay. Oh no, I closed the whiteboard by mistake. Okay, I'll turn it on again. Uh, no, whiteboard. Where is whiteboard? Here is whiteboard. It's totally changed. No, in here. Sorry. Okay, now in here, I want to do
Mm-hmm.
Kasrah now. Okay, there was my
Yeah.
Hamza, Hamza Fatah
Mm.
A, Hamza Kasrah E, Hamza Dhamma U. Now I
Mm.
want to do my Ba.
Yes.
Ba Fatah Ba, Ba Kasrah B, Ba
Big.
Dhamma Bu.
Damabu.
Okay,
Yeah.
and Ta Fatah. You tell me now.
Patata. Yeah. Okay.
Ta Fatah,
Ta
Ta,
patata. Ta.
Ta,
Ta
Ta
patata.
Fatah Ta, Ta
Ta
Kasrah Ti,
patata.
Ta
Ta
Dhamma.
patati. Ta damatu.
Yeah, and this is our Sa with 3 dots. Ta have two
Yeah.
dots. Ba
Mm-hmm.
have 1 dot underneath. Ta have 2 dots, as we say to children, like sisters, 3 sisters. One
Yeah.
sister is having only one ponytail, and
Mm-hmm.
the second sister says, I want two. So she has two
Mm-hmm.
ponytails on her hair. And the third
Yeah.
one says, I want to be different from my sisters. I want three
Mm-hmm.
ponytails.
Yeah.
So this one have 3 dots.
3 dots.
Okay,
Yeah.
3 dots. So this is called Sa. Sa. And Sa Fatah Sa, Sa
Ta
Kasrah Si,
patata. Ta
Sa Dhamma
patati.
Su.
2.
Every single letter you write down and you put
Mm-hmm.
Harkaat and you practice. This is
Yes.
Jim. I was going to write Jim, but I tried to write it was like
Mm-hmm.
this. Let me remove it
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
make it properly. And so I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to give you.
Yes, I
Yeah.
do.
So
Mm-hmm.
Jim want to
Gym.
eat and eat. Jim, ha are
Mm-hmm.
brothers.
Mm-hmm.
Jim,
Ha.
ha,
Gym.
or
Ha.
and ha.
Ha.
They all are
Mm-hmm.
brothers.
Brothers, yeah.
Jim want to eat and eat and eat. And
Mm-hmm.
that's why 1 dot in the tummy.
Inside, yeah.
When Jim join with others, Jim got
Mm-hmm.
this part goes away and left
Mm-hmm.
with half Jim like this.
Half gym, yeah.
Half Jim like this. So dot
Mm-hmm.
comes underneath. Yeah. So but
Okay.
at the moment Jim is full Jim, capital Jim.
Whole gym, yeah.
They
Capital
all
gym.
are capital letters. They called capital
Yeah.
letters.
Capital letters.
Yeah, capital letters. So there
Mm-hmm.
is a Jim Fatah Ja, Jim Kasra
Gym.
Ji, Jim Dama Ju, Ha Fatah Ha, Ha Kasra Hi, Ha Dama Hu,
Adamahu.
Ha Fatah Ha, Ha Kasra Hi,
Akrahi.
Ha Dama Hu,
Adamahu.
Ha,
Hu.
Ha, Ah,
Hu. Ha. Ha. Ha.
Ah.
Ah.
Yeah, that sound need to come in
Ah.
Kha. Okay.
Okay.
Ah. So Dal Fatah Da,
Dal
Dal
fatada.
Kasra Di, Dal
Dal
Dama Du.
kasradi. Dal
Zal,
damadu.
yeah, Zal Fatah, yeah, Zal want a dot,
Dal.
Zal Fatah
Mm-hmm.
Za, Zal Kasra
Dal
Zi,
fatada.
Zal
Dal
Damadu,
kasradi. Dal
Ra Fatah
damazu.
Ra,
Oh.
Ra Kasra Ri, Ra
Ra.
Damaru, and Za Fatah Za,
Sa.
this is Za. Za have a dot, Ra doesn't. Za Fatah
Yeah.
Za, Za Kasra
Za.
Zi, Za Dama
Za
Zu,
damazu.
and Sin.
Mm-hmm.
Sin
Sin
Fatah
kasra.
Sa, Sin
Sa.
Kasra Si,
Sin kasrasi.
Sin Dhamma Su. And we
Su.
say Sa Si Su, A I
Sa.
U.
Si.
Then
Su.
I will, once I write it down, I will tell you. Okay. Now Sheen Fatah Shah. Because you are
Mm-hmm. Sin
older
fatasha.
people, I don't need to give you just a few letters at a
Yeah.
time.
That's true.
You just need to learn the concept and that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. You're
Concept,
right.
one
Mm-hmm.
rule, follow it. One rule, follow it.
Yeah.
Learn a rule,
Following.
follow it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I will give
Inshallah.
you the rule with all Fatah Kasra Dhamma. I will not give you
Mm-hmm.
rule for 1 week Fatah, 1 week Kasra, 1 week Dhamma.
Dhamma.
Okay. So now
Yeah.
Sheen Fatah Shah, Sheen Kasra Shi, Sheen Dhamma Shu.
Sin dhamma su.
And now Saad Fatah Sa,
Mm-hmm.
Sa, kasra, si. Yeah, now this is heavy as well. Like
Very
kha.
heavy letter.
Kha is a mighty
Oh,
letter,
okay.
heavy letter. Sad is heavy
Yeah.
letter. And sa,
Mm-hmm.
kasra, si, and sa, dhamma, su. And
So,
for making heavy, what did we do? How to make letter heavy? What do we do to make a letter heavy?
what do we do to make the letter heavy?
Mhm.
Mm,
The root
we,
of our tongue
the roots of our tongue will
goes
touch the
up.
palate. Up,
No, no, no,
yeah.
no. It doesn't touch the palate. That is
Okay.
calf's makhraj to touch the palate.
Okay, yeah.
Root of our tongue just rise up high and build a
Yeah.
pressure in the mouth.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't touch the palate. That is
It doesn't
calf's
touch the
makhraj with
palate.
two
Yeah.
dot. Yeah,
Okay.
it doesn't touch the palate for
Touch the
other things
palate.
apart from one letter,
Mhm.
which is makhraj is that. This is dad
Okay.
with dot, and this is the
Mm-hmm. Dot.
heaviest letter.
Oh, yeah.
Dad fatah da,
Put in there.
da kasra
Yeah.
di, dal dama, da dama du. And there's a five hafatul lisan, that is a side of our tongue,
Tongue.
touches the
Yeah.
five molars
Yeah.
and premolars on the top,
Mm-hmm.
either side or both sides, to make
Oh.
dad sound. Ad,
Mm-hmm.
ad. We find out
Odd.
like this. So
Mm-hmm.
sad, dad dama, dad fatah da, dad kasra di, dad dama du. And now I come to.
Yeah.
This is the according to qualities. Ta is
Mm-hmm.
the highest in the qualities, on the number one. Even before, even on top of dad,
Mm-hmm.
because this ta have all the qualities.
Yeah.
Ta have strong qualities. None of the quality tas is weak. All the qualities are strong on ta. So that's why the scholars of Tajweed, they put this on number one and this
Mm-hmm.
is on number second. It goes because dad
Yeah.
have one quality, weak quality in dad. Ta have all the five qualities strongest. Inshallah, we will learn the qualities as well.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
So
Inshallah.
ta and this is the. The
Yeah.
is
So,
soft and heavy. Za fata
mm-hmm.
za kasra zi,
Done. So,
za dama zi,
Damazo.
za zi zu. And this is ta
The,
za ain, ain dama ain kasrai. Sorry, ain fata ain kasrai, ain dama u. Ghain fata
I
gha.
Dhamma.
Ghain have one dot. Ghain fatah gha, ghain kasra
Mm-hmm.
ghi, ghain dama gu, and fa. Now, ghain is also heavy letter. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
it's a heavy
kha,
letter. I.
sa, da, ta, za, ghain. Now, this is fa. Fa fatah fa,
Mm-hmm.
fa kasra fi, fa dama fu. And you
Mm-hmm.
are going to practice like this. I want to
Mm-hmm.
listen like this as well. Okay.
Yes.
If I give like this, I'm going to listen like this.
No problem.
Qaf with two dots here, joined together. Qaf
Yeah.
fatah. This is a letter where root of
Uh-huh.
the tongue rise up
Yeah.
high. Rafia, take your pen away. Yeah, I think you are touching and making lines. Rafia, move away. Is it Rafia or
Me. Oh,
somebody
sorry,
else?
sorry, sorry, sorry.
Yeah,
That's me.
because it's you. Because
I
somebody is
was
touching
trying
and
to.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So
Yeah. Thank you.
no,
Sorry.
in here, Kasra. I thought maybe it was Rafia. This qaf, the makhraj is root of your tongue touches the
Mm-hmm.
soft palate. Okay,
Yeah.
that is
Mm-hmm.
this letter's makhraj is that, and this is the heavy letter as well.
Mm-hmm.
This is the last heavy
Yeah.
letter
Yeah.
out of seven.
Iron. Iron.
out of 7 heavy letters. Inshallah.
Yeah.
Qaf fatha qa, qaf kasra
Mm-hmm.
qi, qaf dhamma
Mm-hmm.
qu,
The
qaf
mahu.
fatha qa, qaf
Sakya.
kasra qi, qaf dhamma qu.
Mm-hmm.
And this is heavy. It was heavy, yeah. And this is a
Yeah.
lighter kaf. Kaf, easy one to say.
Mm-hmm.
Kaf, kaf fatha ka, kaf kasra ki,
Kaf kasaki.
kaf dhamma ku.
Kaf the
We
mahu.
don't want to say kaf. It's not
Kaki
right.
ko.
No kaf is kaf. Kaf.
Kaf, yeah.
And now is lam. Lam
Mm-hmm.
fatha la, lam kasra li,
Lam
lam
kasari.
dhamma lu.
Lam damalu. La
Mim
me
fatha ma,
lu.
mim kasra mi,
Me farama.
mim dhamma mu.
Me damamu. La me lu.
Nun fatha na, nun kasra ni,
Kasarani.
nun dhamma nu.
Tamani.
And wow,
Wow,
wow fatha wa.
kasarawi.
Now this is
Wow.
wow, wow, wow fatha wa. We can't
Wow.
say wa fatha wa. That is
Wow.
wrong.
Wow.
If our lips are not round, we
Mm-hmm.
don't
Around
say
there.
wow, then it is
Mm-hmm.
not right.
Wow.
We always say wow fatha wa.
Wow.
First round,
Wow.
then open,
Mm-hmm.
and then round again. Wow
Mm-hmm.
fatha wa, wow kasra
Wow.
wi,
Patawa.
wow dhamma
Wow.
wu.
Kasarawi. Wow. Wow. Patawa. Wow. Kasarawi. Wow. Damawu.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now ha, this is easy as well. This
Mm-hmm.
ha is difficult to say. This
Yeah.
ha.
Ah.
And we need to make a difference between the sound of this and this.
Yes.
This is easy one to say. Ha fataha. You don't need to open
Mm-hmm.
your mouth much. Ha fataha,
Yeah.
ha
Ha. Pataha.
kasrahi, ha damahu.
Ha.
And
Pataha.
hamza, hamza fataha, hamza kasra I, hamza dama u. Look at the sound. Are they
Yeah.
not both same?
Yeah. They look the
Yeah.
same.
That's why some scholars don't put this here.
Mm-hmm.
They don't put this here, they keep here only.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So I am just going
Mm-hmm.
to give you the both shapes to keep, and I did this. Okay.
Yeah.
And now is ya.
Mm-hmm.
Ya sometimes
Yeah.
have ya,
Mm-hmm.
capital Ya have two dots underneath.
So that, yeah.
Ya fatha ya kasra yi, ya dhamma yu.
That the maju.
Now in the Usmanic script, which is
Mm-hmm.
Arabic Quran, if you see, it is a green color. When you
Mm-hmm.
go in Saudi Arabia in Haram, in Masjid
Mm-hmm.
Haram or Masjid Nabawi, you will
Mm-hmm.
see the Quran, which
Mm-hmm.
they will have this ya, this ya. Okay,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
they will not have dots on. They will not have dots on. They will have like just like this. I will try to copy it like this. Okay. And this yeah, let me remove this one because
Mm-hmm.
see the qaida I was showing those the written by Urdu person. It's a
Mm-hmm.
Pakistani person, I think. That's why
Yeah.
they added that yeah with the because our language is similar and that language have ya as well,
Okay.
both yas.
Yeah.
So that's why they add both yas. And even
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
our Quran, which is
Mm-hmm.
like if I buy Quran in Pakistan or here or in
Mm-hmm.
Saudi Arabia, you will see there are blue color Quran, the blue
Mm-hmm.
top. That they
Good.
are for our people. We read those Quran. Like most Pakistani, India, Bangladesh people read those
Mm-hmm.
Quran
Yeah.
because they are more explained different way to make for us easy as a foreign language. So this comes on in front of
Mm-hmm.
the letter. I will show you later on. At the moment, you just keep up to there. But I just showed you the this shape of ya as well. Okay. Inshallah. This should a little ya and a little wow comes in front of the letters to make them longer sound, but we will cover them later on. I at the
Mm-hmm.
moment I'm just giving you a little hint. Okay. Now I am going to go through the sound. A I U, ba bi bu, ta ti tu, sa si su,
Two.
ja ji ju, ha hi
Mm-hmm.
hu, ha hi hu, da di du, za zi zu, ra ri ru. This ra or ru,
Raw.
they are heavy. Ra
Raw.
and ru will be heavy and re will be light. Heavy. This is H I'm going to put for heavy. Okay. And this is light. This is a rule of Ra. Okay.
Yes.
This this will be light. Okay.
Yes. It is.
This Kasra will be light and Dhamma
Mm-hmm.
and Fathah will be heavy. Whenever Ra receive Fathah or Dhamma, Ra is Ra, Ru. But if I say Ra Kasra, I say Ri with smiley face. Ri. So this is a special rule of Ra. No any other
Raw.
letters of these, just Ra. Okay. Zazizu, Sasisu, Shashishu, Sasisu, Dodidu, Totitu, Zodidu, Aiu, Ghagihu, Fafifu, Aqiqu, Takiku, Lalilu, Mamimu, Naninu,
Nino.
Wa Wawiwu,
Yeah.
Hahihu, Aiu, Yayiu. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I am going to show you which are capital letters.
Mm-hmm.
Highlight the capital letters.
Highlight the
Oh,
capital letters.
highlight all the capital letter,
Mm-hmm.
letters, and you are going to do. Okay. Now this
Mm-hmm.
gym is not but just because my line gone wrong way.
Okay.
This ha is okay.
Okay.
Ha is
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
oh sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to write down what is just giving me the
Yeah,
odd
no
one.
problem.
This is Ghain is also
Mm-hmm.
heavy letter,
Have a
and the
letter, yeah.
last seventh heavy letter is Qaf.
Cough, yeah.
And Ra is conditionally heavy. Ra have
Yeah.
condition attached with it. If Ra
Okay.
receive Fatah or Dhamma, Ra is heavy. If Ra
Heavy,
receive
yeah.
Kasra, Ra is lighter.
It's
So it's a
light, yeah.
condition becomes with it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
Ra have 14 different rules. Inshallah we will
Yeah.
learn. Okay.
Yeah,
So now they
inshallah.
up to here is our
Mm-hmm.
alphabet. Now I'm going
Mm-hmm.
to write down a phrase for your heavy letters, a phrase to
Yeah.
remember. So what phrase
Yes.
is khussa, kha,
Gusto.
sad, khussa.
Yes.
I will say
Gusto. Oh.
khussa,
Mm-hmm. Gusto.
dagtin,
Forgotten. Yeah.
dagtin.
Thing.
This is dad,
Dot,
and
yeah.
this is ghain,
Nine.
dagtin.
Ten.
Qiz, Qaf
Ten.
and Za. This is the
Ten.
scholars wrote these three, they made three words out of those seven letters to for people to make for people to easy, like to say easy.
Easy, yeah.
Qiz,
Mm-hmm.
Qaf, Kasra, Za.
Mm-hmm.
It is, sorry, this is I'm trying to put a dot on, and Schoon.
Yeah, it's okay.
Qiz. And if you just remember, khussa dagtin qiz,
Gusto.
khussa
Doroten.
dagtin qiz, khussa
Ten.
dagtin qiz.
Doroten.
So
Him.
this is our phrase of seven mighty letters.
Yeah.
7 heavy letters, or
Heavy
we say
letter.
7 full mouth letters.
Full mouth letter.
7 full mouth letters or 7 heavy letters, 7 mighty letters. For children, we say
Mm-hmm.
mighty, like a very
Mighty
powerful
letter.
person who have
Yeah.
lots of power. So these letters have lots of
Mm-hmm.
strong qualities. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
they are heavy. So
Yes.
Alhamdulillah, we are going to finish up to this. This is
Alhamdulillah.
enough, yeah, for today.
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
It's a
Jazakallah
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil
khairan.
Alameen. Alhamdulillah, the
Alhamdulillah.
way I am going to do, I will teach you, but I will do the shortcut, but
The shortcut, yeah.
still the
Inshallah.
explanation way. I will
Yeah.
explain fully, but in
Mm-hmm.
shortcut. Instead of
In
just
shortcut,
reading
yeah.
for Alif Fatah A 1 week, Ba Fatah Ba, like the second week,
Mm-hmm.
I will read Alif Kasrah E, and the following
Mm-hmm.
week I will give you Alif Dhammah U. Instead of
Mm-hmm.
going long road, I will give you like
Yeah.
this.
Like the
Okay.
shortcut, yeah.
So if,
Inshallah.
you will inshallah remember, we will finish
Yeah.
here. I hope you enjoyed the way,
I do. I do enjoy
this
it.
way,
Thank you very
inshallah.
much.
And anybody else, may Allah, thanks Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who provided you
Yeah.
this service,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
I am
Thank you very
servant
much,
of
you too.
Allah. Whoever Allah choose for,
Yeah.
I
Choose
just
to
come,
do that.
you know.
Yeah.
Because
Jazakallah
Allah choose.
khairan.
We don't do anything. Allah choose us.
No, Allah choose
Yeah.
definitely.
Allah choose you to learn, and Allah gave me
Mm-hmm.
opportunity to teach.
To do it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely.
and share my knowledge. And by sharing with you, because I
Mhm.
never did in English like online this. This is the
Oh.
first time I'm doing.
Oh, it's the first time you do it.
I am doing first time in English, but I'm teaching children in English and
Oh,
of site, like on site
okay.
in masjid and in madrasa. But
Uh-huh.
online, I am doing the first time.
Uh-huh.
I've been teaching for online children Quran as well. I'm teaching Islamic study to them, but like this on YouTube and everything is the first time with
Okay.
you guys, and who never learned Quran before, if with you, because the
Yeah.
other people, adults, they knew Quran. I was just telling them the tajweed, but the
Yeah.
first time you are learning first time Quran. So
Mm-hmm.
inshallah, that's why it's a wee bit more explanation for everything. So you learn the way you understand
Inshallah.
quickly, and in
Yeah.
shortcut you finish Qaida and go on Quran. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
This is aim. May Allah give us a healthy long life, which
Allahumma
we
amin.
can explore quickly and do things. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Amin summa amin. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum salam
Bismillah.
wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa
Bismillahir
barakatuh.
Rahmanir Rahim. Wal asr. Innal insana lafi khusr. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. آمين ثم آمين يا رب العالمين. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم، وتب
Amin.
علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. وصلى
Amin.
الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وبارك وسلم. آمين ثم
Amin.
آمين. Because the Drood Sharif is, Drood is a stamp. We write
Amin.
letter, but
Uh-huh.
Drood is a stamp
Yeah,
to
it is.
put on, so Allah accept it.
Yeah.
Inshallah. So
Inshallah.
it is very important. May
Yeah,
Allah subhanahu
inshallah.
wa ta'ala accept everything, and
Allahumma
may Allah
amin.
make sadqa jariyah for us this one.
Allahumma
Lots of
amin.
people will listen this and learn it.
Amin ya
Just
Rabbi.
share with the people, share with the people, so people learn Quran. If they don't know Quran, I
Yeah.
want them to learn Quran.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Just send whoever need, just send them.
Yeah. I will find you some people. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, then
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi
Auntie.
wa barakatuh. Hanji,
Alaikum
yes.
salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khair.